Since the early 1990s, ESL has been providing the intermodal industry with safety-interlocked power outlets for refrigerated ISO containers. Safety, value, quality, and innovation have played a key role in equipping terminals with over 250,000 safety-interlocked modules across the globe, making ESL a worldwide industry leader. Safety-interlocked modules provide users with simplified operation and maximum safety. ESL's safety-interlock design prevents making or breaking under electrical load, provides the operator with a manual disconnect, offers branch circuit protection by means of a molded case circuit breaker, ESL's safety-interlock design prevents the receptacle from being energized until the reefer plug is fully mated and the on-off rod is engaged. To operate the module, open the snap cover and insert the plug into the receptacle by aligning the key on the plug with the mating groove in the receptacle. Fully engage the plug and the receptacle, then secure the locking ring until it is snug and tight. To energize the receptacle, simply push the on-off rod. Once the module is energized, the LED light will illuminate, indicating power is now on. The module will de-energize one of two ways: manually by pulling the on-off rod to the off position, or automatically if the plug is withdrawn, in which case the circuit breaker will trip and need to be reset before next operation. ESL modules are equipped with a UL-listed molded case circuit breaker. During an overload condition, the circuit breaker will trip and can be reset simply by pulling the on-off rod to the off position, then pushing the on-off rod to the on position to re-energize. Standard additional key features of ESL's safety-interlocked power modules include UL-listed power module, stainless steel construction for superior corrosion resistance. UL 489 listed circuit breakers provide operator and equipment safety. Standard AIC rating is 35,000 at 480 volts and optional AIC ratings up to 65,000 at 480 volts AC. LED indicator light enables operator to easily see which outlets are currently powered on. And a spring-loaded stainless steel snap cover protects contacts from contamination, where if used on a vessel, a screw cover offers a watertight seal. Optional features include auxiliary contact for remote indication, shunt trip, bell alarm provides a signal when breaker is tripped, plug sensing for remote indication, and a screw cover ensures watertight seal for shipboard applications. ESL designs safety-interlocked power modules to meet all power requirements for reefers. ESL customizes safety-interlocked power module assemblies for a wide variety of applications and power requirements, including intermodal and port terminals, industrial and shipyard, shipboard, and rail applications. For more information on ESL's capabilities, please visit eslpwr.com.